Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export your trade data from Tradingview into a CSV. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tradingview, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, exporting your trade data from Tradingview into a CSV file offers a lot of advantages that can enhance your trading analysis and overall performance, because a CSV file allows you for comprehensive analysis of your trading data using tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or statistical software. For example, I'm a big user of the Google ecosystem, so I always export it into the Google Sheets, because from there I can perform custom calculations, creative pivot tables, and generate detailed reports tailored to my specific needs. For us to be able to export CSV here in Tradingview platform, I need you to click on the products and click on the super charts and choose the chart of your liking. Now, once you are here, all you're gonna do is, for example, you are in trading panel and you have been analyzing the impact of different parameters of your trading outcomes to fine-tune your strategy. You only have to go to the upper right corner here that says a name, and as you can see, all you're gonna do is click on the export chart data. Now, you have the option to, of course, as you see, there's a small notification window that says all information from the selected chart, including the symbol and indicators, will be saved into a CSV file. Now, you can choose the chart that you wanted. And of course, all you're going to do is click on export. Now, from here, using CSV data, you can backtest your trading strategies, of course, with more granular data to optimize and refine them for better future performance. You can analyze the impact of different parameters on your trading outcomes to fine-tune your strategies. I'm gonna click on the export button now. But the thing is, for you to export data where you need it, you need to upgrade your plan to export all the chart info you need. Now, in my case, I'm limited because I'm using the basic plan. But if you wanted to get this tool and leverage the platform, you might want to upgrade to the Plus subscription, to the Premium, Expert Pro, Elite Pro, and Ultimate Pro. Well, they give you a 30-day free trial for you to take advantage to, and after that, you would be able to export data into a CSV file here in Tradingview. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.